Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So to create today's curls, we're going to need, as always, water and something to hydrate your hair because we want to help eliminate the frizz before it happens. So I'm going to be using the Way Rose Hair and Body Oil. And lastly, you'll either need bobby pins or clips of some sort. So I'm going to start by putting the oil in my hair, and I'm not putting very much in, just one pump, and focusing it on the ends of my hair and then brush through it. And I don't like to work with my hair when it's all super wet, so I'm just going to give it a quick spritz with water just to make it a little bit more manageable. And then I'm going to start at the front and take about a 1.5 inch section, and then I'm going to use my right fingers on the left side, my left fingers on the right side, and I'm using 2 fingers, and I'm going to twist the hair around my fingers, pull off the fingers, and pin to my head, and repeat. I'm only going to wrap the front 2 sections of my hair all the way to the roots at the top. So I'm going to start about here and then wrap the hair around. And you want to make sure that you pin where the ends of the hair are. Otherwise that happens. And now I'm just going to keep repeating these same steps. And I'm making sure to let the hair twist upon itself while I wrap it around my fingers, because I don't really like how the curls turn out when I lay the hair flat on my fingers while twisting. When I'm doing the larger curls, if I'm doing smaller curls, then I usually will lay the hair flat. And I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side, so I'll just skip over that. And now that I have all of the curls in, I'm going to give it a good spray. And wait a few hours for the curls to dry. And I'll come back then to take them out and show you the finished results. It's been a couple of hours since I put all of the curls in, and they all feel pretty dry now, so I'm going to take them out. And I'm sure you can tell a lot of them ended up a little bit more messy, falling out, and that's completely okay because that's kind of what I was going for here. I prefer my curls more on the messy side. If you want something that's a little bit more uniform and put together, I would suggest rolling the curls all the way to your head and then pinning them to your head to ensure that they stay in place better. And that's what they look like when you go all the way to your head. So once I know that I have all of the pins out of my hair, I just run my fingers through to break up the curls a little bit. And that's it. Like this video if you liked how my curls turned out. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see more heatless curls using only pins. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!